Fun crafts for kids. Let your imagination soar. Host. Welcome back, young artists, to our DIY crafts and arts projects extravaganza. Today, we have some exciting and colourful projects just for you. So gather your art supplies and let's get started. Paper collage. Our first project is a paper collage. Grab some colourful papers, scissors, glue, and let your creativity flow. Cut out shapes, animals, or even your favourite characters and arrange them on a blank canvas. Stick them down using glue and voila! You've created a unique masterpiece, nature-inspired art. Next up, we have a nature-inspired artwork. Take a walk outdoors, collect leaves, flowers, and twigs. Arrange them on a piece of paper and use watercolours to paint around them. Watch as magical patterns emerge, creating a nature-themed art piece that brings the outdoors inside. Popsicle Stick Creations. Now let's dive into Popsicle Stick Creations. Grab those colourful sticks and glue them together, forming shapes like houses, animals, or even superheroes. Decorate them with paints, markers, or shimmering glittery gems. Let your imagination soar. 3D handprints. Our final project is a 3D handprint. Trace your hand on a piece of cardboard or foam board, then carefully cut it out. Paint it with your favourite colours and add decorative elements like beads or feathers. This keepsake will always remind you of the fun you had creating it. Outro well done, little artists! We hope you enjoyed these amazing DIY crafts and arts projects. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to expressing your creativity. So keep exploring, experimenting, and having fun with art. Until next time, stay inspired and keep crafting. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.